Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing using curd. To begin, choose a good quality plain curd as your base. Whisk it until smooth, then gradually incorporate a tablespoon of olive oil. This creates a lovely creamy texture. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs for a simple, delicious start. Now let's get creative with flavors. For an extra zing, stir in a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice or a splash of apple cider vinegar. Minced garlic or ginger can add a wonderful aromatic kick. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill or chives. If you prefer a hint of sweetness, a half teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works beautifully. Achieving the right consistency is key. If your dressing is too thick, thin it out with a tablespoon of water or a little milk until it reaches your desired pourability. For a thicker dressing, simply add more curd or a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Ensure all ingredients are well blended for a smooth, uniform texture. Finally, let's talk about serving and storage. This versatile curd dressing is perfect for green salads, grain bowls, or even as a light dip for fresh vegetables. To keep it fresh, transfer any leftover dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay delicious for about 3 to 5 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.